Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. Welcome. We're back here in TrenchTown. You know, new thing go heading, so it's day 2 on the Ocean project. So I'm heading around there now. Prefect! I'm heading around there now. You know, so you know the thing go, guys. Eh? Hungry?
Just not do it, I show not all the done.
Yeah.
Just run the error then.
No, until I say me in the same boat because I don't eat anything at all.
I'm going to put in a strength then, so I'm just myself.
For Esther this, she same one. Esther! Oh. Yeah, and rice. 2 of them. Yeah. Two times what happened to you know, the 3rd time now. I take too long for it. Mash me up for there. Yeah. It happened again over there. And it happened again. I know I got him. Yes. Whoa, you know?
Yeah, man, Jesus.
Aye.
Wash your shirt off, you know, it's off, that's so not, you know?
So not.
What I want for eye cooler, water, go quench it in idea.
Yeah.
One of them, you know?
That is it. And I take from that side also.
This one I take from man.
Okay.
Yeah, man, you see it?
Yes, I.
Yeah, man, so put that on the job, put that on the
Resort, baby. That is it, guys. So look, Mother Teresa. So guys, as you can see where we are now. Naturalus. Good morning. And Johnny, push up this? Johnny and food then. You see the guys. Everything already is. Cars, everything. Dream team moving fast. Oh. So this is it guys, this is as you can see it's early, you know, some of the members them is not here as yet, you know, so we're working with what we got now. Natural is here, slab ready.
Come again, man, come. Let's push him, let's go downstairs. Good. Alright, let go.
At the toilet all this natural. No, yes, we are tired. Oh, you put it down. Natural, so that's toilet too.
This 7.5.
Huh?
Let's pull this switch time. Because I didn't show it for time.
Yes, guys, as I can see, as you say, the guys are putting out the work. You know, the work is continuing. Boy, you still there? You know, go home. You know, go yard my yard. Eh?
No.
Yeah. Yes, guys. So yes, man. So we thank and appreciate each and everyone that donate to help out the workshop project. You know, as you can see, here we're here on the journey, seeing me trying to finish off as much that we can do. Yeah. And guys, remember, anything you want to donate to help out with workshop, you know, we highly appreciate it. You know, it can more than help out a situation here. You know, because you can see, this is just only the beginning of this journey. You know, and we're gonna always need donation to finish off whatever he's doing, you know. So feel free, you know, if you wanna show your act of kindness by donating to helping out the workshop, because right now we're building in the bathroom and his toilet, you know. So we're gonna also block out the front part and his veranda where he can have his kitchen as well too, and tile out the bathroom and also inside of his bedroom. We're gonna also mesh it, you know, naturally we're gonna mesh it and put tile, you know, on the floor as well too. So, you know, there's a lot of work gonna get done, you know, so just continue doing the work, yeah, as far as we can go, you know. But we thank you so much for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, we really appreciate everything that you're doing, you know, so we give thanks every time for supporting Kina Life in Jamaica.
No, the next one I got some.
So this is the first line of block. So you see, guys, everything already cast. You know, the floor already cast. Column them already gone on. You know. So as you can see from day one, this is the work that they've done already from day one. Getting these up.
Put that block up there.
Who's your baby? Is your baby pushing out the love same way? She and Mother Teresa representing.
Not going away.
Can't go away. Yeah, can't go away. Worship there, go and sieve. Same way. Yeah, alright.
Yeah, I mean, you know. Look on the seat when you walk out. Sun hot, you know?
Well hot.
Well hot. So we get more water, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. My eye cooler, my water. Pipe water.
Yeah.
You can now put the pipe water, the eye cooler water, them enough. Water gone and just come back when you drink them water there, you know?
I'll come back.
Yeah, water come back, man. We jump on the thing them rounds already, so. You ain't run out now, just go for the next set again.
Yeah.
Yeah, make sure set them up. I say. There for the sieve, man, you know?
Yes, well, I know.
Wet sand, hard for sieve, you know?
Yeah.
Dry one easy, just smooth.
Spread it out, man.
I'll
go on.
Long time enough.
Spread it out, man. Eh?
Long time, man. Yeah, no, tell a car mix up the first batch, you know?
Eh?
Yeah, car the first man. Yeah, man. Man, still a sweat. Eh?
Still a sweat. Yes, I can't. So you mix up the first batch?
Watch and give them, you know? Start the ball and roll.
Yeah.
Johnny! Soup is in it.
Oh, Johnny. Oh, you're in the kitchen. Making it work.
Soup is it. One big one. One big one.
Big and big.
Yeah, show up. Yeah, go say it. Yeah, I mean, that go on with the thing around here, man.
Are you mix up this alley?
Yeah.
I mean, we give thanks.
Man.
Eh? Yeah. Show him punch.
Natural day, so I have to put in the work.
Natural is on board.
Yeah.
So I answer the shot now. Johnny! What? Johnny have amok in here.
Queen is in the building. Yeah, we're
Johnny.
about the queen of the pack. We have a minute to go. A minute before we get on the road and start.
Camera there, you know, Johnny.
And today, of course, we're journeying with none other than Platinum.
Johnny, camera there, you know. Yes, I. We're going in the kitchen. Oh, yes, a Rose get him stew. The stew piece.
I look for stew left. About one fish here if you want.
Of course.
Rice, I love some rice. And I'm cooking now.
How are your volume there? How are your volume for that? Music around now.
Then I fat there on the pepper.
Yes, so Rose come get the stew piece. When them say they cook stew peas.
That pigtail in it.
No pigtail in this. Chicken foot stew peas.
Yeah, the one I'm like.
So we are Johnny stew peas shop. So Johnny stew peas. Each and every week. Thursday and Saturday we cook stew. Thursday and Saturday. So what you cook for the other days then?
Yeah, sometimes I cook turkey and cow food. Chicken back, I don't have to cook chicken back in there. You always tell you.
Of course.
Chicken back I make it.
How am there? Can you know chicken back at the wow chef special that
Definitely.
That is the wow chef.
Man.
Alright. Yeah. So each and every Thursday. Of course.
One fish.
Yeah man, I go want it now. I go want it now. Yeah, you're right, I want it now. Perfect. They say they want a food?
Yeah man, soup.
Natural.
Good one and stew.
Lunch, don't look out, come back for me, I get one too.
Alright.
You get back on phone, you know, you never have the number.
There's a guy in there, that looking for a tele. On the sidewalk tele. But I'm my yard, here the yard. Prepare tell me so going on my yard. Then I'm my yard and this girl I tell me so.
Them look like different pictures.
You got my yard.
Change people's lives around the world.
One thing. See?
Here it is. The biggest hip-hop legends and stars and BET, just the movers and shakers in the business by being your authentic self. You were able to make those moves.
Yeah. No, it matter juice. That one.
One of the strip. One of the snap put the money here. One of the strip. These are only for 5 or
Chop out the chicken.
I'm not gonna do that. I'm supposed to have this chop right now, bro.
I just want to see them have some rhythm when they have there. I don't know how to move that.
Manufactured by 06 Success.
Standing by, listen up, your top $4. Pick 2, pick 3, pick 4, hot pick and cash spot lunchtime draws up next.
Never. Straighten up it.
Come in, Nasha. Give me a card. Spraga. Look how much sunlight.
Dry too fast, that pure mud nice sand.
Alright. One bucket or 2 buckets? 1 bucket and sand. A bucket.
Wow.
Oh, I'm coming.
Oh, yeah, bring it. Come.
No, I'm not take up. I'm take up for your news, man.
It's Thursday, March 14, 2024.
Hey, but tell Johnny say you're ready.
Yeah, man, you can food, man. Go on, this thing, man. We are done.
Just spread out the rest, wow. So you can go on.
I'm waiting done.
No, I said them one the other side.
Yeah.
Spread it out first. So it go on dry. Yeah. Yeah. All right then. Yeah. Okay, so she want one up.
No, I'm never going to Johnny, man. For real, man. Johnny, man.
Well, look now, like it.
Camera can see it straight. See it from that side there. Say look.
What is that?
Well straight.
Black and talking to her.
Man, that's how we make something.
Oh, you make something? Oh, alright. Tell Mr. Boy, no, I tip over by the black hair.
No, I'm not.
Make him step.
Make a step for come.
So you catch that when the ocean fresh water.
Oh, Spanish Town Road.
It could be
But ocean window.
No, the zinc. Zinc them now.
Oh, the whole stuff.
I'm from 1988 until they find it. 1988 from Gilbert.
No stuff. Ocean, but at the first time zinc him up.
Yeah, man, from 1988, man, Gilbert, you know, the one there. The one that gone Gilbert, time, the one there.
Them one there, no, the
Stainless steel one, the one, the aluminum one there.
the aluminum there.
Yeah, the one, the original one.
I want them where them just know, so when the Gilbert time, them just find something.
I'm put back on.
Aluminum and now get them.
So in a Gilbert time, I have a body house in a TrenchTown house that blew up.
Yeah, but we must have a general shit.
My house up lift up down there, so.
When they sign up for that, we don't get nothing. My house up, we lift up. Look by.
Where you still?
And then tell you about sign up. Them are thief, all of them. I'm going to follow them routine, politics and politics. You have to work your own.
Yeah, get your own thing.
People get it, you know. I want this trouble.
Experience or encounters that
Let me load it, Nash. Make it too load. Let me load it. Where am I going?
I go by concrete, that's it.
I can.
You want that concrete right there, so. That's why I got up this up.
You didn't follow so far.
Then that's why I lower it.
Look at how them two on them.
That's why you done this. What they have for it?
Grab her.
Come on, try mix up here. Try mix up.
Good.
Yeah. Here's some of my gravel part.
Yeah?
I mix 2 barrels first, I'm going to say space.
Yes. We say ho, Johnny. Oh.
That's good, man. That's how I'm looking to do it. After the material, I can rub down upon wall and let it. Move the black, man. Put the 2 stones down and the dry too. Yeah, man.
Yeah, I want back. It's supposed to. It makes smart when it does.
One more water than this?
Alright, make cement stay, boy.
Do I next back in the right place?
Okay, I know.
Make it stay.
Go chef, come to split tail. You tell you? Eh? Nah, it's split tail will fly away. Me see you come back and find it.
Wait.
Yeah. And come back and find the split tail. The wall is getting higher. So how chef I go? So how chef I go poo and shower?
Yeah, so we can live upstairs and set them go water down here.
So how chef I go poo and shower?
Yeah, man. Yeah, water run down there to run. So when we have empty, we just want to set them from now, you know. Full up, because the jump full, so we can pull up the rest of them.
How chef is going to poo and shower. You want black now, natural? Want some black? Some more grabber. Too many signs. Pre-mix. When it's a light park start mix, you know it's pre-mix. You can see it here.
Not when I'm on that nice thing.
Oh.
Mix and root same time.
Yeah.
Mix again.
Soupy. Want it soupy.
Don't do it like that. I show it around. Show it around. Lord, man, feel
Do another one. Good pass it. Prefect, you go prefect and pass it again. Eh? Come Willis. Liquor. Come Willis. Holy cow.
Look, take over. Mama, Mama, take over.
Watch out.
No, they saw you some for go. Oh, sorry.
Prefect, go on. I'm sure some of that is
man, say for walk out, man. I have to use the leather.
Soup is in the market. Beef is in the road.
What is your control of this?
Spin it round. Tell Johnny to get a partner for me.
Take my father. Johnny, take my father, please.
Tomorrow again, good luck.
Yeah.
So, lady, you don't eat rice and peas.
No.
You don't eat nothing in a peas. Alright, now I cook. You eat pumpkin?
Yeah.
You eat pumpkin?
Yeah.
Now cook some pumpkin rice. You want food or you want rice? Anything, alright. But no peas.
No peas.
No stew.
Only cocoa peas.
When you say you turkey, you get chicken back, you get chicken foot.
You two love them from this.
You like chicken back.
Yeah, what I'm gonna love.
Oh! Oh!
When you meet the one, you know you just come. You just come and love them.
Younger than it. I could never order them.
Who don't get no food? They never like food. Who don't get food?
I tell her food, pass it.
Oh, Della.
Sorry for not that I could come.
Hey, big deal. Think you're Rasta. can't rasta.
Me not see nothing. It's a video today.
Can't see it full of dust.
Full of dust, man.
Eh?
Full of dust.
Yeah.
Nah,
Touch it, man.
I'm actually looking at you to the camera, you know, like myself here.
if I extra, I know if I touch it. No.
It's a lot tough.
When I work, then good work.
Yeah. It's on the work.
Like it, pull up the bucket like it. Nah, but no, like it.
Right here. You can't pull up the bucket. You're mad. You know the monster in your back. Eh?
I get the whole of your back.
But you can't lift it up, you know, because you're spraying. And get boosted. And you can't have no booster before it's like.
I wanna move like them look a hot boy, them building. Pull up the bucket, get a man, man.
You can't pull that because you're bad for your back, Johnny. You must get now full. A booster you want to get a man?
Boss it.
What do you mean?
They still not get that and cut it already.
Rise with the sun and face the day with some Lasco instant chocolate. Step out. Pop cold, enjoy the cosmetic goodness any time of the day. And the
Pull up the bucket, get a man, building. Hey, oh man, you love it, touch your face. Hey, put on your ass clap mask. I like. Mask is over, mask.
Hey, this is the police. In order to cooperate with the corona business, you need to stay inside. Practice social distancing. Please stay 6 feet away. Now you come on TV. No man. Now you must sit on IT and fancy cat.
No,
No
man.
man. Now you come in an IT and fancy cat.
No,
You're wrong. For corona taking over the place. Yes, and everybody I feel them space. Oh man, you not fit touch your face. Put on your ass
Where's the rose? Put on your what?
Put on your red mask.
Wait.
Wait. Look at the ring.
No gathering.
Look at the ring.
No gathering. No
Look at the ring.
No gathering. Hey. No
Look at the ring.
Hey. No gathering. No starfish. No redering. No banana. No dumpling.
No yellow yam.
No something.
Just under the rose and a little pan no see ya that day my birthday come from foreign. Me looking at the suit cause you see ya where you bring. Toilet paper and sanitizing. Me say Rosa boys you fi do everything. Wash your hand. No touch your skin. No touch your face. No touch your chin. No go outside. Just stay in. Up and down the big and you can get coming. This is the police. In order to cooperate with the corona business, you need to stay inside. Practice social distancing.
Hey.
Please.
Rosa was said, no gathering.
Now you come on TV.
God prefect.
Oh man. Now you sit on IT and fancy cat. No man. Now you come in IT and fancy cat. No, for corona taking over the place. Yes, and everybody I feel them space.
The man, where about the man?
You know we touch your face. Turn your ass flat mask. Turn your ass
Mask. Put on your mask. Drop it, prefect. Go ahead, pal.
Look at that ring. 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 No starfish.
No red ring.
No banana. No dumpling.
No one get none of the chicken.
Place black off. Place black off. Walk the other way.
Rosa boy, you fi do everything. Wash your hand. No touch your skin. No touch your face. No touch your chin. No go outside. No stay in. Open your bubble. No data ring. No starfish.
Perfect. Get your swing.
No yellow yam. No
Get your swing.
Yam imagine no get the bullet off from me. All day I smile and I walk and I laugh. Next thing your man make a mistake and walk off. Next thing you know the whole place it lock off. Out of the airport, out of the lock off. Don't lock off. Don't ask Spanish down.
Let's stay.
Hit lock off. So me run go down.
One more.
One lock off. When we reach down, it lock off. No lock off. Nobody cough. Nobody cough.
Nobody cough.
Nobody poop. Nobody poop.
Nobody poop. Nobody poop. Ready?
Yeah.
You that? Perfect. Don't leave it. There you go. Right. Three more left. Drop it.
Just trying to be
No more? So no more. Perfect, you want more now? Yeah. Eh? See it, man.
No.
Stay full, no?
Give me a pipe. Put on. Right there.
Good it was when you were here. And wine that I've been drinking. Once I know everybody can change. Working. She do the man and the bum bum high. Let it ride your bum bum tight. Do the man me say your bum bum tight. I've been thinking how good it was when you were here. But my rum, I got me drinking. Once I feel my heaven clear, no one to be blamed. As your mother said, your father said, everybody. I know everybody can change. She do the man for the bum bum tight.
Rosa.
Right, your bum bum tight. Oh, hey. Chicken back to that, Esther. Chicken back to that. Baby girl, I've been thinking
The more now they're done.
how good it was when you were here.
Well, I know. Naturally, I've got to walk through the window. Perfect mix in there. There's a mortar, concrete cement, gravel cement and water. Yeah. Gravel cement and water. Oh, gravel sand cement and water. Hey, perfect mix in the mortar. Gravel cement and water. Perfect mix in the mortar. Hey. Sand gravel cement and water. Hey. Perfect mix in the mortar. Hey. Sand gravel. Oh that. Rosa. Walk one. Oh yeah, walk past Mr. Rosa.
335.
In the live, yeah. Oh, I'm the outer road.
335.
Outer road, she wants. That is it. Because guys, I'm climb the ladder so you can see. So right now we have to climb the ladder. That's how far. Natural is working fast. Natural is working really fast, guys. Wow. Neat. Natural work is so neat, guys. So neat. As you can see. So so neat. So you see what's going on? Natural end plane. Yes, I like, guys, tell me what you think. Look at this, very neat. You know, very neat work done by a natural. Working quick. The ladder. The ladder there now. You use the ladder.
Yes, chairman not poor material.
Aye, you might say aye.
Yeah, what? Start from here.
That's tough. The next one.
Breast cancer is real. Cervical cancer is real. Heart attack and stroke are real. And so are pregnancy complications. If you are hit with disease, critical illnesses or complications,
It's a heart attack. Heart attack.
15 major benefits, life insurance and other benefits, including free cancer screening. Get serious about your coverage. Real protection. Insurance plan for medical life. The kids ready? Get the notification. What's the name? Use some of the cookies by take care of our team. Everything around today, Grace International Group, Do you know that especially at school, and now 23% of them are overweight and or obese, and so one less sugar drink in high school, spending more than next diabetes or diabetes, and it will serve less food high saturated fats, sugar, and
Whoa, catch. That catch? Eh? Yeah. Like so?
No. I have his stuff.
Put some stuff in there. We'll test him skills. I'll test him. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah. Well, have it. Have it. One go. Yeah. Watch I catch you again. Ready, why? Ready. Why? Why? Come on, man. Ana kunte ken. Kunte kente. Why? What that? You just catch one and drop one. Yeah. Whoa. Thought you're ready, whoa. What go on? Catch that. Whoa, you need to get some practice catch first. Right? Come, practice catch. Yeah. Right hand. Yeah. Is it ready now? I'm telling me that again, laddie.
Boy, I know.
I'm so big one more. Are you ready? Right hand. Yeah. Ready. He's ready. One already. One for the road. One more time. All right. Very good. Yeah. I'm ready. One more.
Between 7 to 8 p.m. Mondays and Fridays. So your plate will be announced.
Is that good? Good?
Which goes up by $10,000 every time someone fails to claim.
You don't have to submit your plate more than once because once submitted, it remains a possible candidate for every draw until drawn.
No names
All right.
are just needed. Only red.
So yes, that concludes today. Yes guys, so that concludes today mission. As you can see, you know, 2 days. This is where we are. So you know, so the third day now we're going all the way up. You know, so it's been a wonderful journey today. You know, we give thanks. As you can see, we give thanks to our members, them volunteer and giving the strength. You know, we thank them so much. I will thank you, the viewers, them. Thank you so much, you know, for being on this journey with us, you know, carrying out, doing the good work, you know, helping out each other and the less fortunate here in TrenchTown. Remember, never forget to put the thumbs up whenever you're watching. So stick with us on this journey to help out the wow chef to finish off its project. You know, as you can see, we're not far away. So far, so soon will be done, you know. So as you can see, so you say these blocks are good ones, so yeah. Of course. So them come back a few.
No, man, that's something for going.
Yeah, mine. That's trouble. Boy. Yeah, no, everything got to run Yeah. You have to fix them where you can move. I want left now. One? Yeah, see that.
Yeah.
5 rows, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right on, man.
One.
How much money have for 5?
One.
Make you relieve your mind and
Here, touch our net, yeah.
some phone call.
Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.